As the popularity and demand for electric vehicles continues to boom, automotive manufacturers across the world are providing consumers with a wider selection of vehicles from which to choose. With this increased popularity, comes a requirement for a new set of skills and understanding for maintenance technicians. The LJ Create Electric Vehicle Lab is designed to provide students with the skills and knowledge required to maintain and repair electric vehicles. A combination of hands-on trainers and comprehensive EV lessons combine to create a diverse learning experience. The lessons are made up of presentations, investigations, and assessments that cover a large number of topics. Lesson topics include high voltage systems, EV traction motors, charging systems, EV battery technology, and much more. The hands-on trainers in the lab provide students with the opportunity to demonstrate, investigate, and fault-find the electrical system of a typical electric vehicle. Working on electric vehicles is potentially hazardous, with typical voltages of 400 volts. Our equipment operates at safe voltage levels, up to 40 volts, with scaling to indicate real vehicle voltages. This enables students to work on the trainers without constant supervision. The LJ Create Electric Vehicle Lab is designed for teaching Level 3 to Level 5 qualifications in higher education, further education, and sixth form colleges. Over 30 colleges in the UK are currently using the LJ Create Electric Vehicle Lab. When in the Electric Vehicle Lab, students can accomplish 3 things. 1. Work safely on an electric vehicle. 2. Understand how the various systems and subsystems work under driving and charging conditions. And 3. Troubleshoot common and challenging faults when they occur on a vehicle. The EV Lab consists of Electric Vehicle Systems Trainer, Electric Vehicle Electronics Workstation, Hybrid Vehicle Systems Trainer, EV Batteries and Charging Trainer. EV Motors and Generators Trainer. Electric Vehicle Charging Stations Trainer. The LJ Create EV Lab gives you everything you need, out of the box, to start teaching electric vehicle technology safely. There are already dozens of qualified vehicle technicians across the UK that are now prepared to service and repair electric vehicles because of our efforts, and we expect to play a major role in the development of the estimated 100,000 or so that will be needed over the next 6 years.